Roasted red onions are a simple yet transformative addition to any dish. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that heats up, peel and slice your red onions into thick wedges. The key here is to keep them uniform for even cooking. Toss the wedges in a bowl with olive oil, salt, and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning, it really brings out their natural sweetness. Spread them out on a baking sheet in a single layer, and pop them in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Halfway through, give them a gentle stir to ensure they roast evenly. You'll know they're done when they're caramelized and tender, with those beautiful charred edges. These roasted red onions are perfect for topping salads, enhancing sandwiches, or serving alongside grilled meats. Their sweet, savory flavor elevates any meal, making them a must-try for your next cooking adventure. Enjoy the delicious transformation.